Unit prefixes. Unit prefixes are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. They are useful to express very large and very small quantities. Kilo is a unit prefix in the unit kilometer, kilogram, like that children. A unit prefix stands for a specific positive or negative power of 10. Some unit prefixes are you are going to learn. Unit prefixes power of 10 prefix symbol. Power of 10. 10 power 15 we can say that peta symbol P. 10 power 12 tera capital letter T. 10 power 9 giga capital letter G. 10 power 6 mega capital letter M. 10 power 3 kilo K. 10 power 2 hecto H. 10 power 1 deca DA. 10 power minus 1 deci small letter d. 10 power minus 2 centi C. 10 power minus 3 milli M. 10 power minus 6 micro mu. 10 power minus 9 nano N. 10 power minus 12 pico P. 10 power minus 15 femto F. And next, rules and conventions for writing SI units and their symbols. For example, the units named after scientists are not written with a capital initial letter. For example, Newton, Henry, Ampere and Watt. The symbols of the units named after scientists should be written by a capital letter. N for Newton, H for Henry, A for Ampere, W for Watt. And next, third rules, small letters are used as symbols for units not derived from a proper noun. For example, M for meter, kg for kilogram. And next, rule 4, no full stop or other punctuation mark should be used within or at the end of the symbols. For example, 50 meter and not as 50 m. Don't give any punctuation mark, dot, comma or question mark like that. The symbols of the units are not expressed in plural form. Example, 10 kg not as 10 kgs. When temperature is expressed in Kelvin, the degree sign is omitted. For example, 273 Kelvin not as 273 degree Kelvin children. But in Celsius scale, degree sign should be used. And next rule, use of solids, that means slash children, is recommended for indicating a division of one letter unit symbol by another unit symbol. Not more than one solidus is used, that means slash. Meter per second inverse or meter per second slash will be used. Joule per Kelvin mole or joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse, but not joule slash Kelvin slash mole children. Don't use mole slash. Next rule, some space is always to be left between the number and the symbol of the unit and also between the symbols for compound unit such as force, momentum, etc. For example, it is not correct to write 2.3 meter. The correct representation is 2.3 some space and afterwards meter children. And next, kilogram meter per square second inverse, not as without space, don't try. Only accepted symbols should be used. For example, ampere is represented as A and not as AMP or AM. Second is represented as S and not as SEC. And next, the numerical values of physical quantities should be expressed in scientific notation. That means scientific form. For example, density of mercury is 1.36 into 10 per 4 kilogram cubic meter inverse and not as 13,600 kilogram cubic meter inverse, children. Thank you, children. Remaining part of the lesson next week, children.